What's up, everybody?
Welcome to our house. Today is our introduction video to nutritional counseling. We want to make these videos as interactive as possible with you all to help answer any health and nutrition related questions that you have for us. Our goal with these videos are to provide you with basic and healthy eating tips and help you obtain the highest quality of life through healthy, nutritious, and delicious food or snack ideas. We also want to share some recipes and guidelines as to how we stay in optimal physical and mental conditioning year round, not just in the gym, but with your food and lifestyle choices as well.
We always encourage clients to eat according to your lifestyle and to eat balanced and nutritious meals and snacks throughout the day. This way, you don't have to start and stop fad diet plans that do not work or can create unhealthy habits to lose temporary weight.
Our bodies love consistency, and the more you track what goes in your body, the more changes you can make successfully by tracking your calories and macronutrients. By tracking your macros, you can make minor changes weekly or bi-weekly by adding or decreasing certain macros to allow your body to successfully change in a healthy way, whether you're trying to decrease body fat, increase lean muscle mass without slowing your metabolism down in quick and unhealthy ways. Always read your food labels and make sure to avoid artificial sweeteners, preservatives, or anything that isn't natural as much as you can. The less ingredients on the label, the better. And if you buy foods that have a long shelf life, then be cautious of the amount of preservatives that they might contain. The good news is, you don't have to track for the rest of your life. Once you figure out which foods work well for you and your desired portions, it becomes a lot easier.
It doesn't matter if you're vegan, vegetarian, or eat all types of food. Reading labels and making healthy choices applies to everyone. Just because a label slaps on the term vegan on it, paleo, keto, or other terms does not mean it's instantly healthy. Just remember, what gets measured gets improved.
Eating healthy isn't just about losing body fat or gaining lean muscle. There are a lot of exceptional benefits to eating healthy, like
enhancing your mood by releasing feel-good hormones like dopamine and serotonin, while enhancing your endorphin levels that make you feel happy.
Eating healthy can manage your cortisol levels and keep them at a healthy level to decrease stress levels, depression, and anxiety naturally. Many people who depend on harmful pills and medications to manage stress, anxiety, and depression can eliminate pills from their life just by eating healthy foods and exercising regularly. Managing your cortisol levels can also improve your sleep, memory, digestion, and help prevent heart disease, which is the #1 cause of death in this country.
Healthy foods can improve your brain function and get rid of mental fogs and feeling lethargic from making unhealthy food choices. Healthy foods can improve your bone density on top of building lean muscle mass.
Lastly, you can prevent, reverse, and reduce chances of the top causes of death like heart disease, strokes, type 2 diabetes, and even types of cancers by eating healthy and exercising regularly.
If you're constantly on a busy schedule, meal prepping is the answer to your problems. If you're not prepared to eat healthy, chances are you're going to eat out and not make the healthiest choices. It's always best to prepare and cook extra healthy foods to have on hand for your go-to carbs, fats, and protein.
We love to grill chicken or bake fish twice a week. Pick healthy carbohydrate choices like vegetable pastas, rice, oats, vegetables, and keep healthy fats like olive oil, peanut butter, or avocados on hand at all times so we can pack our food when we go to work.
We always start our days off with a healthy breakfast like eggs and oatmeal, eggs and Ezekiel bread, or even healthy protein pancakes. Some of you may say that you don't have enough time to cook breakfast in the morning because you're busy, or you might run out of healthy foods to take to work for lunch.
Well, we have the answer for you. It only takes 2 minutes to make a super healthy smoothie, and you can make enough for the whole day. The great thing about smoothies are that you can get all of the benefits of healthy eating while getting a complete and balanced meal with all of your essential macronutrients. Here's one of our favorite smoothie recipes. It's very simple to make. If you want to make additions to this recipe or modifications, you can make it to your liking. Check it out. For your smoothie, first we're gonna need a blender, your favorite protein, of course Cutler Nutrition, one of the best protein brands out there. Bananas, mixed berries, preferably frozen so they last longer. Pick a base like almond milk, we prefer unsweetened for lower carbs. Peanut butter, your favorite peanut butter brand. Kale or spinach for your greens, and a measuring cup if you're tracking your macros. For today's video, we're gonna make 2 servings, one for each of us, and the macros are gonna consist of 7 grams of fat, 36 grams of carbs, and 29 grams of protein for each of us.
All right guys, step 1 is to pick your base. We did almond milk. You can also do coconut milk, oat milk, regular milk, whichever you prefer.
Step 2, we're gonna need 1 full banana. Bananas are a great source of fast absorbing fructose and carbs, and a great source of potassium for regulating fluid balance, water retention, muscle contractions, and nerve signals to your muscles.
Step 3, you're gonna wanna have kale or spinach, a bunch of it. They're both loaded with vitamins and minerals to boost the immune system. They're amongst the best anti-inflammatory foods in the world, and we suggest eating greens with every single meal that you consume to reduce acidity levels and inflammation in the body. Lastly, they both have amazing digestion benefits amongst other benefits.
Next, we're gonna use a scoop of your favorite protein powder. I can't say enough great things about Cutler Nutrition's Total ISO. It's extremely low in carbs and fats, with 24 grams of high quality protein per serving. I love adding it in my breakfast oats in the morning, and I love adding it in my smoothies. Make sure you eat enough protein daily, as they're the building blocks for building muscle, and lean muscle increases your metabolism.
Step 5, we are going to add mixed frozen berries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants. They help regulate blood sugar levels and insulin response. And they are a great source of dietary fiber, which improves digestion and how healthy we keep our intestines, amongst other benefits.
Next step, we're gonna have you pick your favorite fat. Who doesn't love a little bit of peanut butter? The benefits of eating the right fats are to build a strong immune system, increase joint support, reducing inflammation, reducing bad cholesterols like your LDL cholesterols, and increasing your good cholesterols like your HDL cholesterols, amongst other benefits.
Feel free to add anything else that you want to add for flavor or health benefits.
Cheers!
Thanks for watching our first nutrition video.
We want to help you. Please comment below and send us any requests or questions that you may have regarding nutrition so that we can help you thrive in the kitchen and in the gym.